Since 1875, Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram has been San Jose's premier automotive dealership. And here's another great example of one of our quality pre-owned vehicles that has been through our rigorous inspection and reconditioning process and is equipped with
Sirius XM satellite radio, heated front seats, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, roof rack, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, keyless entry, air conditioning, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, traction control, and has less than 35,000 miles on the odometer.
After viewing this vehicle, we hope you'll give us the opportunity to prove to you why Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram is the best place to buy your next vehicle.